For this video series, we will be working on a Prime 1 Batman Hush. There are a few repairs needed, and we will do a partial repaint. The client has duplicate switchouts that we will mod as well. Let's take a closer look. The Batarang will be repaired and painted a different color, and also modded with a bloody effect. The cape had a large piece broken out of it, and then it was glued back in. Both sides will need repair, texture and paint blending. This portrait will need repair, and will be modded, with much longer ears, and shadows, added on the cowl forehead and front areas, like a Neil Adams style Batman. For the other portrait, heavy facial stubble will be added, and the same shadows to the cowl as well. The left glove will be bloodied, and blood splattered upward. The base and proximity pillar will be fully repainted. And now, let's start part 1 with the base repaint. A mix of Tamiya XF57 buff and white was used for the base coat. A mix of Citadel shade colors, Nuln Oil and Celia Green shade were used for a wash. Citadel dry, rack white was then dry brushed over the wash. A 50% strength, Citadel Shade Nuln Oil wash, was done over top. Citadel dry, rack white was then dry brushed lightly over top. Citadel base, corn red was used as a base coat for the bricks.
Apollo, my friend, have you come over to help out?
Citadel shade, null oil was washed over the bricks. A mix of Pivo white and number 33 cadmium red was dry brushed over the bricks. A 50% strength wash, a Freak Flex red tint was washed over. The gargoyles were base coated in flat black. Citadel Technical, Nihilak oxide was washed over the gargoyles and column inserts. The vines were base coated with Tamiya XF52, Flat Earth. Then washed with Citadel shade, Agrax Earth shade. Pivo number 36, Raw Sienna, was dry brushed over top. A mix of metallic bronze paints were dry brushed over. Lastly, Citadel base, Warp Luck bronze was dry brushed over top. For some finishing touches, the vines were dry brushed green over top. And some of the bricks were darkened with darker washes. The entire base was then matte sealed. And now, time for the turnaround, and thank you for watching.